Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Forge and Forge mods for any version of Minecraft on your Mac. Before we get started, it's important to note that you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. If you don't have it already, I'll leave a tutorial linked in the description below. The first thing we need to do is to download the Minecraft version files so we can install Forge and mods later. To do this, open your Minecraft launcher and then the version drop-down menu. Select the version of Minecraft you want to install mods for. For this example, we will use 1.12.2. Once Minecraft has opened, this means the correct files have been downloaded, so go ahead and quit the game. Now we can download Forge. Open your web browser and go to files.minecraftforge.net. I'll leave this link in the description below. Choose your Minecraft version from the left-hand side menu. Again, we're using 1.12.2. Click on the installer button underneath, Download Latest. After 5 seconds, a skip button will appear in the top right, so click on that. Then, download the Forge installer to your Mac. I'm going to download it to my desktop. Now we need to download the Forge mods we want to use. Open your web browser and go to a modding website of your choice. For this example, I'm using curseforge.com. I'll leave that in the description too. Scroll down and click on Discover Mods. You can search for the mods you want to use. To make this easier, in the left-hand side menu where it says Categories, find and select Mods. This will filter all the mods. For this example, I'm going to select a simple mod. Inside the mod page, click on the Files tab at the top. Scroll down and find the Minecraft version you want to install mods for, which is 1.12.2 in our case. Make sure it's for the Forge platform. Once ready, click the download button and save the mod to your Mac. Again, I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now we've downloaded Forge and the Forge mods, we just need to install Forge. Open the Forge installer. If you get a message saying it can't be opened because it is from an unidentified developer, we need to approve it in the system settings. Click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner and click on System Settings. In System Settings, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way down until you find the Forge label and click on Open Anyway. Confirm your choice. You may need to use your Mac password or Touch ID. After a few seconds, the Forge installer will open. Make sure Install Client is selected, then click OK. This will begin to install Forge to your Mac. This may take a few seconds. Once it's done, click OK. And go ahead and delete the Forge installer if you want. Now we've installed Forge, we just need to install our Forge mods. Open your Minecraft launcher and click on Installations at the top. You should see the Forge profile. If you don't see this, you may need to restart your Minecraft launcher. Once you've done this, click on the file icon next to the Forge profile. This will open your Minecraft installation folder. Now, find the mods folder. If you don't have one, create a new one by clicking on New Folder, and rename it Mods, all lowercase. Click into the Mods folder and simply drag and drop all of your Forge mods into this folder. Now exit out of the installation files. To play Minecraft with our Forge mods, click on the Play tab at the top.